As you can see, Chair, we are right.
Urugari ni uthegete cikaro-ini cia bunge bindi ya gikaro gia kamiti ya bunge ya kithomo na Mĩnĩstrĩ ya kithomo thutha wa minista wa kithomo Migoso Gamba kuremo ni gutariria gitumi gia cukuru 29 bururi-ini gukorwo itamũkĩrĩte kĩgĩna kia thirikari kiria kibeanagwo mathukuru-ini.
From the list of the schools that we have,
29.
The ones that we have that our name is registered for funding,
Yes.
the funding has gone to them.
Yes.
The ones that are 29, maybe that are not in the system, we need to find out why they were not put in the system when they should have been put.
Ogamba akiuga thukuru ici ni njeru nikio itamũkĩrĩte kĩgĩna atindĩkĩtwo ni ambunge kũthathaũra makiria amu ici ni cukuru iria nginya ire na arutwo mareka kĩgeranio gĩkĩ.
The principal was asked to submit some documentation in May. You can imagine May up to date and somebody has not received that capitation. What is happening?
Like now, if there is a school which is not complying, it is just a matter of making a phone call and requesting that person in the field to give information, visit the school physically. But now I'm really worried the CS is responding as if his hands are tied, like he can't enforce.
We are dealing with candidates. There is a difference between registering a candidate and registering an exam center. We register the candidates. So if the candidates were availed on our system and they provided us with the index numbers and all these things, we have no business asking them why they are not in the capitation or they're in I don't know what. For us, it is
order CEO.
Na muthia Ogamba akoya moko na iguru akiuria kamiti ino kumubibida ageke uthuthuria makiria.
The team here is going to check. I'm told there are 29 schools with that kind of a problem. They've been.
What category of schools are those? Secondary or
Secondary.
Yes, the senior schools.
Because of the process of registration and the things they have to do in order for them to be in the system for capitation and funding. So they'll need to check and find out what is it that is holding that process.
Gĩikaro gĩkĩ gĩgĩtabanio nĩguo Mĩnĩstrĩ ya kithomo itarĩrie mebarĩrie mayo ma igeranio nene mwaka wa 2025. Mĩnĩstrĩ ya kithomo yugĩte nĩbangĩte wega gũtigĩrĩra gũtirĩ mũrutwo wabĩtũko nĩ kĩgeranio ona thengia wa makũmbĩ ma mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩthiĩte na mbere kũringana bũrũri-inĩ.
Exams that we've done the last 2 days have gone on well. Actually, it's just last night that there was a lot of rain in some areas and we are attending to it. That's why you are seeing us coming out and ensuring that that progress has been done as they keep reporting on an immediate basis.
Ibida-inĩ o rĩu Mĩnĩstrĩ ya kithomo nĩ bithũrĩtie atĩ igeranio cia KPSEA, KJSEA, KILEA na KIPLEA ikarekererio mweri-inĩ wa Dithemba rĩrĩ kĩgeranio gĩa KCSE gĩkarekererio Januari. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Mũrĩithi.